Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is a constant. It's basically just a value which cannot be changed. So, in programming, let's say we want a variable called pi. So, pi equals, and we should probably add data type, double pi. And maybe we'll set this equal to 3.14159. And let's display this standard output pi, and maybe I'll add a new line and run this program. Of course, we will get 3.14159. Now let's say that someone goes into our program and changes the pi value to 20.69. Well, if you display pi, of course, so maybe let's change it. Change it using the assignment operator. So pi is equal to 420.69. And if you display pi now, well, you will get 420.69. So if you prefix the data type with the word cost, well, that value cannot be changed. So let's say cost double pi. And now you see, let's pi, if you make it uppercase, it's more convenient. And let's run this program. You get 3.14159. But now let's say that someone has to change. So let's change pi equals maybe 420.69. And one. Okay, we have an error. Assignment of read-only variable pi. Well, because if you prefix the variable with the word cost, it adds some data security. So someone cannot easily change the value of our variable. And yeah, everybody, that's basically a cost. So if you fix a variable with cost, that value cannot be changed. Otherwise, it will display error. And if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, leave a written comment down below. And if you like the copy of this code, I will post it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!